Hi everyone, and yes, here, welcome to your day number 25 of your money game, Abraham Hicks. Now, for this day, this is a big day. We're going into the bigger jumps. So today you're going to have 2 million to spend or invest or tithe, whatever you want to do with it. Let me know down below what you're choosing to do with it today. Now, today I am going to build a eco-friendly property, and it's going to be sustainable. It's going to have a permaculture garden. It's going to be overlooking the beach in Sydney, Australia, in the eastern parts of the city. And I am also going to create some little dwellings on the property, and they will be eco-friendly Airbnbs. And it's going to have all the mod cons, but that it is good for the environment. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I wanted to read you something that someone sent. C, you said, for your 700,000 day, you said, I'm going to buy a 1-bedroom apartment in all cash. I'm going to carry it in a suitcase like some bad-ass secret agent and have a martini when I do it. I will say, I'm going to take it and here's the cash. Thank you very much. It's good to see you guys enjoying and doing quirky and fun things and getting into the spirit of it. The whole idea is to have fun and play with this and to expand your mind further than you've ever thought with, if I had a huge amount of money, what would I be doing? So it gets your brain used to thinking of big amounts and just getting into the state of financial abundance and financial freedom. Okay? So thank you, C. I really enjoyed your comment. I had a good laugh this morning when I opened up your email. Thank you for sending it in. And I will see the rest of you in the next day, number 26. And I look forward to reading your comments on the money game today. There are not many of us left doing it. I can see that every day when I upload, the numbers are going down. So it looks like there's only about probably 10, 15, 20% of us at the most that are still doing this challenge. So well done to you for getting this far, and I will see you tomorrow in day number 26.